guys, hello guys, this is my voice reveal. So because of being a Leo no longer in the Philippines, so ito, December 20 nagpasko sa atin, Pilipino. So Playboy Kevin nag-voice reveal. Kita si yun, okay. Okay. Kita siya. Okay. 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 This is my voice reveal. So please subscribe in UTC Design 2. So please, I'm gonna give 167 subscribers and so many subscribers. So today we have a voice reveal in 35 subscribers. So thank you of supporters. So I don't say Filipino and there we go. This is voice reveal. Okay, you see Delta. Okay, Delta and fly together. Daw. Wow. Kita na siya. Kita sa building. Dito sa Heaven Plaza. Dito. Ade. Mga players. Oh. Ito sa mga houses. House 1, House 2, House 30, House 14, House 18, House 16, House 17, House 18, House 19, House 20, House 21, House 22, House 23, at House 24. Mad boys reveal ako. So thank you for subscriber supports and see you to the voice reveal in the Pilipinas. So thank you and goodbye.